When your code might fail, you have two strategies. Check first, or just try it and deal with any problem after. Python has a strong opinion about which one to use. LBYL means you check whether something is safe before you do it. EAFP means you go ahead and try, then handle any error that occurs. Python's design and community strongly prefer the EAFP style. LBYL adds extra checks before every action, which can be redundant and even cause subtle bugs when things change between the check and the action. EAFP skips those extra checks and handles problems only if they actually happen. In the LBYL style, we first ask, does the key age exist in the dictionary? Only if the answer is yes, do we go ahead and use it. This is a guard check placed before the action. In the EAFP style, we simply try to access age directly. If the key is missing, Python raises a key error and our except block handles it. No upfront check needed. We only deal with the problem if it actually occurs. Both styles print the same thing: key not found. The dictionary has no age entry, so each approach handles that gracefully. EAFP just does it with fewer lines and no duplicate logic. The Pythonic rule is simple: try the thing and catch any error that results. This is cleaner, safer, and the style Python itself was designed around. Reach for try and accept whenever something might go wrong.